life. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Advanced mathematical training can lead to many career opportunities, including business, finances, medicines, engineers, and basic science, especially as a seafarer. We know that mathematics is applied to every aspect, field, and profession. Now, have you ever imagined life without mathematics? Without mathematics, what will happen to our architectures, our buildings, our roads, our bridges? I think this will be happening.
Fractions are important because they tell you what portion of a whole you need, have, or want. Fractions are used in baking to tell how much of an ingredient to use. Fraction telling time, 8 minutes is a fraction of the hour. It's already time for my next class. I have to go.
In mathematics, a percentage is a number ratio expressed in function of 100. It is often denoted using the percent sign or the abbreviation PCT. Sometimes the abbreviation PC is also used. A percentage is a dimensionless number. Percent are an important part of every life. Percent is a very handy way of writing fraction. Percentage can be compared more easily than fraction. So what are the example of percentage? So the one of the example is shop advertising discount on product. This discount or percentage up to 50% or 70% of market price.
Without math, what will happen to the measurements? Without math, no formulas to the scientists. How can they perform experiments? What will happen to the science, especially in medicine? Healthy people become sick. Sick people will die.
Whole numbers are positive numbers, including zero without any decimal or fractional parts. They are numbers that represent whole things without pieces. The set of whole numbers is represented mathematically by the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on.
That would be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learn of our topics in the video. Thank you so much, and God bless.